Hello guys, and I got this like I think a month or 2 months ago, but I finally got my sixth file home. So this is so this is a Simplex Sevon. Yeah, of course it's Sevon. It has the fire alarm. Sorry about that. So this one doesn't have a key like the other ones on the top shelf, but there's another one that takes a screwdriver, and it's my 5th fire alarm. Takes a screwdriver, and I think this is a screwdriver. I don't know. What is this? What is this kind of screwdriver? Anyways, I haven't done a fire alarm in a while. So anyway, let's get on to the video. I'm not gonna pull this one because fine, I'll pull it just to make your viewers happy. But I couldn't set it because it might get messed up. The inside of it. Here's the other one. Again, just the button. Actually, some of these are not dual. Like it just says push. Like you don't even need to push it, just pull. Anyways, let's get the key back in. You're doing peace. And also peace to you guys too. Oh, sorry for my way messy room. Yeah, I have to clean out my room. That's what I feel. I have to clean out my room. Wait, I have to clean out my room? It'll take a long time to clean. Oh, sorry. I just didn't want to say that way. Where was I going? Wait. This. But seriously, that was a little bit on purpose. Oh, I forgot to set this one too. Sorry, my bad. Oh, and also, this one has the button. Also, look. See, you're... And also, there's do it versions on this. So this also do it versions on this. But this used to be a do it, but now I broke the glass. So I guess it's now I won it. Get it? Won it. It says normal, but I don't know if you can really see it, but ice where it says normal. Because if you don't do it, if you don't switch it to this side where it says normal on the bottom, then check this out. Check this out, viewers. That's right, viewers. It falls down. So you have to do it. You should switch it to normal. And then flip the side up, and then go back. Then there you go. Oh, and also, it is also and that's also and it's also a LX. So that means it's a what is it called again? And also this one is a L. I don't know if you could really see it 2X, but wait on a second. Wait, it's not assembled. I have to change it. So September. We're almost for the year. Well, where did it go? There we go. Forget this. Okay, so stay there. Stay right there, okay? Don't move. That's it. I'm gonna use my no, I don't. Forget it. Oh wait, I can see it poking through. I can see it poking. Yes, there we go. So it's Labor, and also it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everyone. Anyway, it's Monday. No school for me. But if you're a kid and you're watching this, you'll have school. But if you're like an adult, then have no school. Okay. So bye viewers. I love you. Oh, and also Baby Yoda.